not that good with flying in wind. Now we switch to manual mode. 25 degrees angle. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is so fast. DJI made really great drone. Again, they do a good job, and even without weather, really windy, cold, grey. This is not even winter. It should be winter, but we don't have any snow, like you see. And that drone can handle quite good wind. And what I think, it's really the feeling. It's when I fly Avata 2, I felt much more comfortable, much more safe, and it was so much easier to maneuver as long as there wasn't so much wind like now. In this case, I think Avata 1 will be better, because I think Avata 1 handle under wind quite better, because it's more heavy. And of course we talk here about manual mode, because when you fly FPV you should fly only manual. If you don't fly manual, this is not FPV. Of course, that's a joke. You can do, guys, whatever you want it, but I would say the drone is really good. Quality, I don't know, we won't color grade anything. That will be original footage, ultra-wide 50 FPS, normal color profile, and for stabilization just rock steady. So let's see what exactly this drone can do. And I won't fly today anymore. I have to just go home, see the video and upload that video for you guys. So see you.